morning guys, and welcome to the weekly vlog and welcome back to my channel. My name is Radhika, and this channel is basically to document my life here in Sydney. Going to the Darling Harbour now to catch the sunset. It is right now, what time is it?
4:30.
4:30. The sunset is actually at 5:10, so hopefully we should be able to make it.
Probably.
Maybe.
Try.
We made it guys, we are at the Darling Harbour. We got a really nice spot and I'm gonna show you guys the sunset. And we are planning to go on that bridge, but let's see.
थोड़ा हॉट चिली डाल देंगे बस आराम से भाई
Weekly tasks guys, grocery shopping, obviously looking for something sweet.
for fucking $7.
Life is tough bro. Got some chicken mince for our sandwiches and making chicken keema. Then this is our dessert for the week. This is some tiramisu, some bakery items for our breakfast, Greek yogurt, peanut butter, parmesan cheese. These are some sauces for our pastas, some diced tomatoes because actual tomatoes cost a lot. This is an ointment which I've heard a lot about, so I wanted to try this out. Some Tim Tams. This is an Australian cult favorite. If you guys get a chance, you have to try this one. It is really amazing. Some wine and some chips.
Say hi.
Hi.
She was telling me she is in camera shy. She ran away.